Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have admin or root access. Without it, you cannot make the change persistent. Once done, turn Bluetooth on and disconnect any active pairings so the device name change propagates cleanly. Next, find the device ID and current name in settings or through terminal commands. You do this to target the exact hardware. Make sure to note platform. Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, or iOS differ in method and file locations. Now you perform the platform-specific edit. On Windows, change the name in Device Manager or Export and modify the registry key for that adapter. Restarting Bluetooth applies it. On Mac OS, update the name in System Settings or edit the Bluetooth list and restart the daemon. On Linux and Android with BlueZ, edit /etc/Bluetooth/main. Conf or adapter config and restart the Bluetooth service. You do this because persistent storage differ. Finish by restarting the Bluetooth service or rebooting the machine so the new name is written permanently into system records. Then reconnect known devices to confirm they see the new name. If other gadgets still show the old name, clear their paired device cache and repair. Cached entries often preserve the previous label. If problems continue, inspect logs, Event Viewer, Systemd Journal, or Console to learn why the change didn't persist, and then repeat the targeted edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.